Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the Muhammadiyah Research Grant Research Team with members Risnina Wafiqoh, Syed Ahmad Maulana, Surya Amami Pramuktia, Selvy Zananti, and Fitri Anissa. I'm Selvy Zananti, as the presenter who will present the research with the title The Reflective Abstraction of Slow Learner Students Review based on Gender. Introduction. The process of learning mathematics will run very smoothly if students don't face any problems related to mathematical concepts. The problems which are related to mathematical concepts can be in the form of not understanding the mathematical concepts they are currently studying and forgetting profusely. Studied concepts or concepts that are the prerequisites subject to learn new concepts. Students' ability to understand previous concepts and concepts being studied is related to students' reflective abstraction. Students' reflective abstraction makes the biggest contribution or can be the main factor that can increase students' mathematical understanding. Research method. This research used a qualitative approach with the phenomenology research method. The research was conducted at a private high school in South Bangka Regency, province of Bangka Belitung Island. The research subjects involved were 8 students, consisting of 4 male students and 4 female students. The students were categorized as slow learners who were selected directly by a math teacher who had been teaching students for 1.5 years and is aware the track record of the students' academic achievement from elementary school to high school. The data in this study were analyzed following the qualitative data analysis using the steps 1. Collecting data carefully. 2. Prepare data for analysis step activities. 3. Read the data carefully. And 4. Coding the data as a measure of the validity of this research data. Triangulation, technique quiz, member checking, and external audits are used. Okay, the next, results and discussions. Based on the observations were carried out for 4 meetings and each meeting lasts for 2 times 45 minutes. In the learning process for the first meeting, the learning material was about linear inequalities of 2 variables. The second material was about the set of solving linear inequalities in 2 variables. The third material was about using mathematical models to solve problems, and the material at the fourth meetings was the core material for linear program. And the slow learner students reflective expression done appear and it means research cannot conclude anything about the achievement of their reflective abstraction level. Based on the test results, there were 6 tests to find out the reflective abstraction of slow learner students who were used as research subjects. And based on the results and discussion of the text method, it can be concluded that the highest reflective expression of slow learner students is at a level 2. based on interview results. Interviews were conducted in three meetings. All research subjects, slow learner students, were interviewed and found that their reflective abstraction based on the interview results was the same as the reflective abstraction based on the test results. Conclusion. Based on the results of observations, the reflective abstraction of slow learner students cannot be identified. Slow learner students are passive and reluctant to express their ideas related to the concepts discussed. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.